You might be in a situation where your Android phone, basically your iPhone, is not receiving any text from an Android phone. Now, this is very common and it can happen pretty much for a multitude of different reasons, but the very first thing I would recommend doing for the most part on your iPhone is to go ahead and make sure you have SMS text messaging enabled. So if you don't have any sort of SMS or anything like that at all, well, quite potentially your iPhone is not going to receive any text. So the first things first, make sure you do have a SIM card or an active data plan on your specific phone. If you don't have text messaging or anything, and if you're only relying on Wi-Fi and everything like that, you may not receive text from any Android phone because you don't have a phone number. So you may just want to make sure that's the case. Now the next thing is, as long as you have some sort of cell plan, you want to make your way over to your iPhone settings here. You want to scroll down until you see iMessages, or just messages in general, click here, and you should be able to see some information here. Now you will see iMessage. You can keep iMessage enabled, but as you can see right here where it says send as SMS, what you want to do is, just in case your messages can't send as an iMessage, you want to make sure send as SMS is enabled. That way, at least when you're texting that person back, you will at least get some, sort of information back from them, or you can, still text them for the most part. Now, most of the time, if somebody's texting you, you will be able to see a phone number here of some sort. So make sure your iMessage account, if your phone number is not shown anywhere around here at all, well, that may be a little problem that you have. So you may just want to make sure you see your phone number here somewhere, because if somebody's texting you, they need to make sure they're texting your phone number. That may mean also you didn't put your SIM card in properly on your phone. So just keep that in mind as well, or you didn't transfer your eSIM or whatever it is from your other phone to your new phone. Now, another thing I want to throw in here is quite potentially you might be having an issue with your software update. So you may just have to go through and actually update your iPhone as well. That is another thing that's very, very common. So what I'd recommend doing here is just going back into your iPhone settings here. You want to scroll down into General. You want to click Software Update, which is right here. And all you want to do is go ahead and update your iPhone. Whatever the most recent version of iOS software there is, just go ahead and update your phone. And that might end up fixing the problem as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.